Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Good luck. Jonathan Patrick Johnson, 25B148931, A and B, and I also have 148932.
Dion for D on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, state your full name for the court.
Jonathan Johnson.
All right, I gave him permission to appear by Zoom, did I, Lisa?
Yes, he doesn't have transportation, he can't drive.
Okay, so you're gonna plead guilty, he's gonna plead guilty to operating while intoxicated. He's going to plead guilty to open intox. I also have 931C, which somehow got stuck, that's resist and obstruct. They're dismissing the resist and obstruct, they're dismissing a PBT refusal. He's going to plead to OWI and operating while intoxicated, correct?
Correct.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Johnson?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs are all those 2 points on the OWI. I'm sorry, 6 points, license suspension or revocation in accordance with your record. Your vehicle could be or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
I got to have you keep your voice up nice and loud.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead to open intox, possible penalties are up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those in 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you are presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a trial by court or jury. You have the right to question their witnesses, to bring in your own, to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you had a prior drunk driving out of Ohio, true?
Yes.
Are you on probation for that?
No, sir.
Are you on? Are you
no,
on?
sir.
Sir, are you on probation or parole?
No, sir. Neither one.
Anybody force you to plead guilty to this charge?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
To the charge operating while intoxicated, how do you plead?
I plead guilty.
To the charge open intoxicants, how do you plead? Open intoxicants, how do you plead, sir?
Like I was trying to plead to that.
I just need to know how you plead. If you don't want to do this deal, you don't have to.
I didn't know that bottle was in the car. I don't know how to. I just never knew it was there.
On the car.
I do, Your Honor.
At some point you knew it was in there, right?
No, sir. I had family I was dropping off. There was people in the back seat, and we were just going home.
What do you want me to do here? He's got to have knowledge.
I told him he can set it for trial.
You want to set it for trial? Is that what you want? I mean, look, I don't want you to plead guilty to something that you didn't do. If you didn't know the open intox were in the car, I don't know how you couldn't have known that, then you shouldn't plead to it. But that's okay. If you didn't know, you didn't know.
I didn't, so I don't plead to it because I never knew it was back there until the officers. It was in the back seat. I'm driving after I dropped them off.
Hang on. I'll end the prosecutor. Let me go on the OWI case. Were you operating a motor vehicle on Telegraph near Emmels in Brownstown, June 27 to 25 at 11:50 p.m.?
Yes.
Did you drink alcohol prior to operating that vehicle? And if so, what did you drink and how much?
We were in that complex there where
I just want to know how much you drank and what kind of.
I think I had like 3 shots of Tito's.
Was your ability to operate the motor vehicle significantly and materially affected due to the consumption of the alcohol? And if so, in what way?
No, sir.
Well, you were pulled over, and do you know why you were pulled over?
Well, I was kind of coming out of the complex, so I was going left, but there was a car in front of me across in the parking lot. Not knowing what it was, I was allowing them to go, but they didn't go, so I kind of like gassed it a little bit to get out and beat traffic because I didn't know, I couldn't see if they were trying to come out or not, but the whole time they were officers. So when they felt the need to pull me over because I guess, you know, by me pressing the gas a little bit, they pulled me over. And so I put my blinker on and I slowed down. I wasn't even going over 30 and I was trying to find the shoulder.
My question.
Mm-hmm.
Did you feel a little bit intoxicated?
I wasn't necessarily.
We can set it for trial. I've explained, I'm not even comfortable with a plea if he wants to set this for trial.
If you want to set it for trial, we can do that, sir. I don't want you to feel pressured to do anything here. It's the United States.
I have no transport. I have no way out there. Even if I did set one, so I was just trying to see what I can work out.
Counsel, were the breathalyzer, or was it a blood test or breath result? Your name?
Blood test.
Anyone from the country request was touched, but it was blood, it was 0.133, Your Honor.
All right. You stipulate that that was an accurate reading?
Yes, I saw the report I have the police report. I have the test. And it's 0.13, it was a 0.133.
All right. I mean, I'm satisfied. That's UBAC. That's still operating while intoxicated. If you are, I'm not satisfied on the open intox.
And
Hang
that's
on,
why I'm not.
Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, would you just let me work on this for a second?
Yes,
You
sir.
want to do something else and dismiss the open intox and maybe even plead the PBT refusal? Or something else, or impeding traffic? I could care less.
I guess we can talk about it.
You want to talk about it right now?
I mean, I would be willing to give him resistant hinder, Your Honor, but it's my understanding that he doesn't believe he did that either, so.
Mr. Johnson, do you think you did anything wrong?
I was going home. I was just dropping my family off when we were coming from another, a little gathering. I was dropping them off. I did take a couple sips when we were in the trailer or whatever or whatnot, but I'm not aware of what was left in my back seats. I don't even know the amount. I don't even know anything. All I knew is I was just coming out and I was going home.
I'm going to hand these files back to your lawyer. I'm not taking any plea. She's going to go and talk to the prosecutor, and they're going to see if they can work something else out. Okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Do you have
Thank you, Your
Schaefer?
Honor.
Do you have Joshua Schaefer?
Infiltrate.
All right, Mr. Johnson, your name.
Jonathan Johnson.
All right, I'm going to set a jury trial and the final pretrial date. I just want to be clear, you're going to have to figure out a way to get here for your jury trial date. Give me a jury trial date in about a month or so, Lisa. This is a July, well, I just arraigned him August 13th, didn't I? So we can set let's just set another pretrial date in 2 weeks, and I'll worry about setting the jury then. How about that? September what?
September 10th at 9:45.
At 9:45. Defendant can appear by Zoom, okay? I'll let you do that, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you so much.
September 10th at 9:45. Are you working, sir?
Yes, sir, I am.
Oh, you
I pay child support.
How are you?
He works from home.
Okay, I pay child support. I love when people tell me that.
It's a whole
I
nine.
mean, we all pay child support if we have killed children, you know what I mean? That's just the way it is, whether they're divorced or not. All right, we'll see you here September 10th. I wish you well. Good luck. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.